Hello, my dear viewers. You are welcome to my channel Math My Future. Today we shall make the chart of sine, cos, and tan values from 0 to 360 degrees. Many of the students do not know what will be the angle after 180 or 240 or 270. So we shall learn the values as well as the angles. What will be the next angle and what will be the next angle, next to next angle. So we start with this value of sine. Sine 0. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. 45 is 1 by under root 2. 60 is under root 3 by 2 and 1. For cos up to 90 degree I have written for sine. For the value of cos, you start from here in the reverse way. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is under root 3 by 2. This is 1 by under root 2. 1 by 2 and 0. Okay. Tan is sine oblique cos. Therefore, we divide the values of sine by the values of cos to find the value of tan. 0 by any number is 0. 1 by 2 by under root 3 by 2. 2 will be cancelled and 1 by under root 3. 1 by under root 2, only 1 by under root 2 it is 1. Its value is under root 3 and any number by 0. You do not know the value of tan for these angles, but you must know the value of sine and cos to find the value of tan. You divide the value of sine by cos, you will find the value of tan. Okay, we go to next. What will be the angle next after 90? There is a trick to find the next angle. What is the difference here? It is difference is 30 degree. Then 15 degree. And here also 15 degree. And then 30 degree. You add 30 degree. Then 15 degree. 120 plus 15. Plus 135 plus 15. Then 30 degree, you will reach 180 degree. Similarly, first add 30 degree, then 15 degree, also 15 degree and then 30 degree. You will reach to 270 degree. Similarly, after 270 it will become 300. The difference of 30. We added here. Then there is difference of 15 degree, 315 it will be, and then 15 also it will become 330, and also it is the difference of 30. We add 30 here and reach 360 degree. This is the way how we reach to 360 degrees. If we go to the values will remain the same. These 5 values from 0 to 360 degrees. These values 0, 1 by 2, 1 by under root 2, under 3 by 2, 1 for sine and cos, and for tan these values. No other value is there. But there is a trick to find the value. How? For 120, as you reach from 90 to 120, 30 degree, the difference is 30. So 1 here under 3 by 2. Keep the finger here. It is under 3 by 2. Then 1 by 2. Under root. Then it is 1 by 2 and 0. Okay. In the reverse way, keep finger here and read the values in reverse way and write here. We reached 180. In the similar way, it is 1 by 2, 1 by under root 2, under root 3 by 2, and 1. After 270, in the same way, we find the values of these angles. Keep finger here and write this value. Under root 3 by 2. Because the difference of angle is 30 degree. Here also 30. It is 15 degree. Then here also 15 degree. Then 15. Here also 15 degree. Then it is 30 degree. Then here 30 degree. The same way we go these values. 1 by under root 2. 1 by 2. And 0. We have written the values of sine. For cos, these values also change their signs, negative and positive. I shall tell you later some. First we write the values of these angles. In the similar way, we write the value of cos. For 128 it will be 1 by 2. 135 it will be 1 by under root 2. 150 under root 3 by 2. And it will be 1. Cos 180 is 1. Okay. In the same way, we write for the next quadrant. Under root 3 by 2. 1 by under root 2, it is 1 by 2 and 0. In the same way, we write here 1 by 2, 1 by under root 2, under root 3 by 2 and 1. For the tan, we adopt the same method. Here is under root 3. If we divide sine by cos, we get also under root 3 here. It is 1. We divide sine by cos, we also get 1. Therefore, with the same procedure and same method, we find the value of tan. 1 by under root 3 and 0. Similar way, 1 by under root 3, 1, under root 3 and infinity. Therefore, here under root 3, then 1, 1 by under root 3. If we divide here, we get 1 by under root 3 and 0. Okay. Now we come to the values of signs of these values. Here is a quadrant I have drawn. The 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 and 360 here. In the first quadrant, from 0 to 90 degree, the values of all mean sine, cos and tan, they will be positive. In the second quadrant, from 90 to 180, only the sine will be positive. Sine value will remain positive. In the third quadrant, from 180 to 270, tan values will remain present. And in the fourth quadrant, from 270 to 360, cos values will remain present. Tan and sine values here in the fourth quadrant will be negative. Okay, in the same way, we do this. Sine is positive in the first quadrant also and the second quadrant up to 180 degree. The next in the third and fourth quadrant, sine will be negative. This we put here negative sign. Zero cannot be negative. 0 is 0. Okay, in the third quadrant. For the cos in the first quadrant it is positive. Second and third quadrant, it is negative because in the second is sign positive only and the third tan is positive. In the fourth, cos is positive. Therefore, in the second quadrant and the third quadrant, we make its sign negative. Second quadrant is here from. And the third also. Here in the fourth quadrant it will remain positive. For tan, it will be negative in second and fourth. In second and fourth quadrant. In the first, all are positive. Second and fourth. Tan. Okay, second is here. Second and third and fourth is here after 270. Okay, you have completed the chart in this way. Okay, remember the trick. After 90 degree, you keep finger over here and go to write the values for the next angles in reverse way. And remember, after 90 degree, what angle will become, and after 180 degree, what angle will become. First you add 30 degree because it is 30 degree, then 15 degree difference. Here is also 15 degree difference, and then 30. Mean next you will write the angle at 30 degree, then 15 degree, then 15 degree, it will be 30 degree. In this way you can complete this chart, and the values, these values, 5 values you are to remain always. For sine, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 to 3 by 2 and 1, and for cos you write in the reverse way here in this way. But for tan you divide sine by cos, no need to remember this. These 5 values run from 0 to 360 degree. These 5 values are there with positive and negative sign also. Okay, I think you have known about the chart, how to make it and how to remember the values and how we make the chart of angles from 0 to 360 degree. I think you have become able to make this chart yourself for your memory and to keep it remember. Okay, goodbye. We shall meet you in another video.